Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords. I know I said I'm calling it quits. I am calling it quits. This is the last one. Okay, let us start ngomazungu. Mazungu has decided to keep it a secret. Girl is playing hide and seek to an extent that Umaphalala took the phone and started snooping, right? And he ended up blocking the phone, which made her angry. But at the end of the day, she did not reveal the truth. Uguti, no, she's not cheating. She actually has a job. And then Nokubonga threatened to tell the truth. Uguti, I'm going to tell Uguti wena chitni J verk. And if I don't tell the truth, it means Uguti no, mina nawe angeke sikwazi ukuthi sizwane. And then she said Mazungu to Unokubonga, if you dare do that, it is the end of us. You will no longer have a mother, I will no longer have a daughter, because I want your father to suffer the way he made me suffer. So at this point, 3 points for Mazungu, 0 Maphalala. Then kube indaba ka Mabusi arrive yani kamereni yaka mntwana thola uvula indlela ugugu obani unomkhosi guys. At this point I don't know if she possessed or what's happening, because her arrogance or her thirst for power has run, so I don't know, to another level. I think they were better off as abazalwane bahamba no Jesu, because wow, ekuhambeni nethempeli lenkosi bayahluleka. Buza ke ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Okay, ngiyatshela ke nomkhosi tsheliani ekent vulindlela, who it does not understand anything, ukuthi mamela ke my boy, you will not be umkhululi, you will be led by uNtuthuko. Wena your job nje is to follow uNtuthuko, and when you all grow up ungabi nomona. How do you tell the child he's not even 1 year? Okay, angena uMabusi aphatheke kabi athatha umntanakhe amtshela ukuthi uyasizonda he. So because uyasizonda, do not just even come close to my child. That's how ke unomkhosi noMabusi are living. They don't want each other in front of each other. At this time bakhathe umbilical cord, right? They are no longer related basically. While Mamzobe is just being Mamzobe, girl has returned to her roots, and I just don't like it. Yes, girl decides to go her manipulative ways. Ayo manipulator ubani unomkhosi akabona ukuthi uyamanipulator girl angene phakathi. Hayi manipulation azatshela unomkhosi ukuthi if you were able to prove to your husband ukuthi he's the chosen one, clearly you are able to also prove to him ukuthi my husband must come back to work. And then ke uZamcolo had a talk noKhulekani. Zamcolo had a talk noKhulekani, and then in their talk uKhulekani was still on a very, very high level, and uKhulekani was still nje aphansi. Hayi ke delela uKhulekani uZamcolo adlale eyakhe ipart. Kule part yakhe uZamcolo ayidlalile, for mina I was satisfied. uZamcolo ke abiza umkhandlo, tshele yana umkhandlo ukuthi ngizamile ngoKhulekani, uKhulekani manje ngimnikeza umthembu. uKhulekani I have removed him from my covering. Yay! He is not longer covered by umkhululi uKhulekani. All right, sharp. Umkhandlo phakathi yabatshela, ngisho abatshela ngakhona ukuthi niyatenga ni wiki hey what after ukuthi phakathi yabatshela isitoko nokuthi uKhulekani nokuthi uZamcolo abatshela ukuthi akasamcoveranga uKhulekani, hayi bahambe babone ukuthi ethi bayotshela uKhulekani, bahlale phansi noKhulekani bamtshela ukuthi Khulekani, we are just begging you, do not do this, move away from this situation, you are going to be in trouble. This chair you cannot play ngayo in uKhulekani athi mangithi ngifuna ukuhlala ngenkani nizongenzani, but hayi bafuna ukuhlala ngenkani iqhubeka, but futhi wena umvelasi umuzwa ngabathi umuzwa ngendlela wakambona experience. And ngiyazibuza ukuthi njengoba uNdlovu akuma high horses kanje athi yena kule ngqondo yakhe sebenza kahle angeke ayo apologize esontweni, won't he also be a mini Mamzobe influencing uKhulekani to fight for the position, so just he can come back to umkhandlo in his high horses and not apologetic of anything? I don't know, ngicabangani. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.